My name is Sarah Scherer. I work for the City of Seattle in the Office of Economic Development, and I am the Maritime and Manufacturing Advocate. You know, it's funny that we live in a city that is surrounded by water. It has a beautiful, natural, deep water port. We drive by it every day, and people don't know that there's such fantastic living wage jobs that can create community wealth as well as generational wealth. The industry here is mostly white male, so we really do need to be helping people understand the opportunities that are here in the maritime industry. Seattle right now, the average age of the maritime worker is 50 years old. So this is a perfect time for young people to get involved in the maritime industry because there's going to be opportunity for growth. What excites me about the high school is that there's a whole generation of people that are going to finally have easy access to all the amazing jobs in the maritime industry. There's 7 different sectors, from recreational boating to fishing to tugboats to scientific research jobs that research the ocean to the watersheds in the city. If you're on a 4-year university track, there's a place for you. If you're not on that track, you can be successful without a bachelor's degree in the maritime industry. The average wage of the maritime worker in Washington is over $70,000. That's $20,000 more than the annual wage average in Washington. And if we're being more inclusive and we're helping underrepresented neighborhoods like South Park, like Georgetown, having young people from those neighborhoods that are less supported and typically have less generational wealth to start getting some of these jobs, then they'll bring that wealth back into their neighborhoods. My biggest hope for the Maritime High School is that the next generation of maritime workers is way more diverse, and that they know they have so many options to choose from, and that no matter what your path is, whether you like science or recreational boats or working with your hands and building boats or repairing boats or working on boats, that there's a place for you.